David Klein. Next home, first choice, your choice realty negotiations. What if I told you that I negotiate different than most any other agent? What if I told you those negotiations, they're a little bit harder, a little bit more work, extremely more efficient? I have a style, a way of negotiating that nobody's done for the last 20 years. But if you saw some of my earlier videos, I've been an agent and licensed since 1979. I know how it was done back in the day, and it's a whole lot more efficient. Okay, you're probably wondering, what is it? What's the difference? What's your trick? What's your secret? Well, the secret sauce is to be face-to-face. Agents don't do that anymore. How can you reach an agreement when there's no face-to-face? I'll fax it, email it to you, get back to me in 2-3 days. I don't really know what this means, but what the heck? I'm confused. No, I don't want to do it. That's what happens. Face-to-face, you get the right communication. You know what happens? You get communication, understanding, agreement. Bam. Open escrow, close escrow, bibbity bop bop, you get what you want. Win-win for everybody. Just one of the many techniques for buyers and for sellers that makes you save money or make more money. Just for you. This is David Klein Levitt. Next home, first choice realty. I'm here for you.